Rachi, sit, beta. Uncle also will sit there.
Achha, Rachit, you took it from the auntie. Did you ever ask her? Rachit? Rachit? তুমি আন্টি পারমিশন নিলে?
আমি তো দেখছি।
তো দেখছো তো আন্টিকে জিজ্ঞেস করে নেবে তো?
It's very calm and quiet, fantastic. Even though if we don't see animals, being here itself is a very soothing experience. Being here,
Silent.
see how silent some.
Being in the crowded city, it really feels very good.
Okay. It's a small vehicle, okay. Vehicle is coming.
ওই ফটো তোলো।
ওদিকে বাইসন আছে বলছে আমরা যাবো কি?
Okay, bye bye.